about to win the race. Can I see your selfies and vlogs?
Oh, yes, half of them are on my other camera.
We didn't take selfies, we took vlogs.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Some of them were picked vlogs.
Because you're in the way, I can help you.
Wait, did we?
No, we didn't. 2, 3, you guys, 3, 4, 5. You're missing 4 or 5.
That's fine, we didn't need them. Here we are, we did it right.
Nope, you have to go find the other 2 clues.
What? What? You're in your head, you're on your way.
Exactly. Let's find the other clues.
4, 5. 4, 5? What? Where are we? How are we missing it? We
What is this? Have you done this one?
Yeah. Yes. And that got us there. Yeah. They're too excited.
There's still some missing in between.
Clearly. Oh goodness. If you have some, okay, that's where we ran out there, and then we got this one. Because we went there, but how come? Wait, we got clue. Temporary. Hey, take a selfie. We didn't start at because we got one, and then we went to the fireplace, and then but we didn't go there next.
You went here. You should have went here.
No, after the fire, we went to here. Yeah, we went to second years, and then we went there, and then we went to the archery, and then we went to this one, costume, and then we found this there. So I don't know if there's some.
Can we do a picture?
Yeah, keep watching. I'll look over the edge.
Just gonna see if
You guys have all of them?
Peter, why don't you guys set up a
I don't know. I put everyone's in the right order, so I don't know.
Okay, well, yeah. Because we weren't going to the same event.
Thank you.
Have you been to the beach?
No.
Run to the beach. And that should help you. Run to the beach.
Yeah. Riley to tell you? Yes. Because Taryn. Can I tell them? The beach. On the beach. Yes. Beach. Kitchenette on the door. Whoa, kitchen! What? How did we miss this one? This is definitely snack plate and over here, ginger beer, of course.
Oh, you weren't smiling.
Right.
Oh, sorry.
Go put it on the floor. I'll meet you down there.